Hi, I'm Chad Wunderlich with Viking Pump, and you probably already know that this location here in Iowa is over 100 years old. But did you also know that our Viking Pump Canada location is also celebrating 100 years? Today, let's talk about Viking Pump Canada. You're watching the Pump Report. Today, joining me virtually is Sherman Wu, who works at our Viking Pump Canada location. Thanks for joining us today, Sherman.
Thanks, Chad. Glad to be here.
Sherman, would you mind telling us a little bit about your location in Canada?
Absolutely. Viking Pump Canada is based in Windsor, Ontario, near the southernmost point in Canada. We first opened in 1924 as a manufacturing plant, Viking Pump West. The business changed hands a few times over the years, but we were ultimately reacquired by Viking Pump in 1992. We focus on the manufacturing and distribution of positive displacement pumps and handle not only Viking Pump products, but also other IDEX products as well. We've been in our 36,000 square feet Windsor facility since 1935, and it houses all aspects of our business, including manufacturing, customer service, applications, accounting, engineering, procurement, assembly, quality control, and shipping and receiving.
Wow, that's a long history and a lot of change over that time, but you're still providing great products and service over that period. Do you mind walking us through your process from when an order comes in to the point of shipment?
We follow a lot of the same processes as other Viking Pump locations. It starts with our sales, customer service, and applications teams. We collaborate to select, size, and quote product that will fit the customer's needs. Engineering will then work out the design details to match the order requirements. When all of that is final, an order is placed and sent for purchasing and production. Some products are assembled from stock components right off the shelf, while others are shipped from Viking or IDEX factories around the world. We keep an inventory of around $1 million in parts and pumps so that we can serve customers as quickly as possible. If the pump is shipped as part of a unit arrangement, it will be assembled with a faceplate, couplings, gear reducer, and motor, and then shipped as a package.
It's impressive that even with a small team, you offer such a broad range of support. Sherman, can you walk me through specifically what you do in your role for Viking Pump Canada?
Of course. I have been with Viking for 25 years. In my current role as Principal Applications Engineer for our channel partners, I provide technical assistance and guidance for our partners. I work with them to select the best product to meet the needs of our customers. It takes a team effort to put together a competitive commercial proposal to present to our clients. Viking Pump Canada has been in operation for 100 years. Not many companies in the world can say that. It speaks to the quality and excellence of the product and the personnel that we have. And we have consistently served our customers for a century and continue to do so today.
Well, thank you, Sherman, for all of your work and for the work of the Windsor team as a whole. Keep it up for another 100 years.
Thanks, Pat. We will.
To learn more about Viking Pump Canada or our other global locations, or to view the pump reports, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.